What's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope आप सब स्वस्थ and मस्त हो. So yeah, today I have come to Sadhguru Veg Diet and this is situated next to Cubic Mall known as Basant Cinema in yesteryears. So this is their outside sitting area which is non-air conditioned of course. And I'm moving ahead to their air conditioned area. Just look at these certificates. These are all their awards given by certain food industries. So this is their air conditioned area, clean, hygienic and looks beautiful as well. So this is divided in two parts. The one right now I am in and this is the other part. There are people sitting so I didn't go ahead. So सामने इनका kitchen है. Let's have a look at their kitchen also. So here is Sandeep Anna. So this is their kitchen. Just look how clean and hygienic this looks. अच्छा खासा साफ सुथरा है. So this is their pav bhaji and juice area. So we are going to start with one of those amazing desserts that I have never had in Sadhguru. This is called coconut sundae. As you have seen, they have removed the coconut water separately and now he's removing the malai. To be precise, this is called the coconut meat. And they're going to grind this in the mixer. Here goes. Add some ice. And gulkan. Gulkan is a mixture of sugar and rose petals. A little bit of coconut powder. Some spoons of milk. And Amul fresh cream. So here goes grinding and it's ready back in the coconut. So they are going to serve this in the coconut only. And here goes some dry fruits, cashews and almonds, tutti frutti jelly, again some almonds and pistachios along with some raisins and some coconut powder. Again the gulkand, 2 scoops of vanilla ice cream, tutti frutti jelly, pistachios and almond, very rich. This looks so rich. Wow. I wonder how this is going to taste. Definitely gonna be heavenly. Okay, some syrup also. Okay, here goes the umbrella. Cherry on the sundae. So here we are guys, we are starting the tasting now. Just look at the texture of the food. Just look at the cherry on the cake. So because the coconut sundae is going to melt, पहले मैं वही try करने वाला हूँ. In fact, it has already started melting. This is called coconut sundae. So इसके अंदर as you can see ice cream है. There's a lot of malai, जो अंदर की मलाई होती है, and as you can see dry fruits and whatnot. So चलो let's taste this. So this has gulkan, this has coconut, crushed coconut, ice cream, dry fruits. So this is a different kind of sundae जो I don't think मैंने कहीं पर खाया है. If you're coming to Sadhguru, yeah, I know melt हो गया, but this is really amazing. So now we are going to see how they make their famous pav bhaji. They've added some butter, cumin seeds, onion, capsicum, tomato, green peas and boiled potato. So as you can see, the chef is not going to mash this because there is a twist. So here he has added some ginger and garlic paste. This is their secret masala, the base of pav bhaji. Just look at the texture, guys. Here goes some special spices, some coriander, finely chopped coriander, this is looking really irresistible. So yeah, the reason that they haven't mashed this is called khada pav bhaji, not a regular pav bhaji. This is one of my favorite from Sadhguru. So now I am going to try my personal favorite pav bhaji, जिसके लिए सदगुरु फेमस है इन एंटायर चेंबूर. इनफैक्ट नॉट जस्ट चेंबूर, चेंबूर के बाहर भी सदगुरु पाव भाजी के लिए फेमस है. यू नो, लुक एट द टेक्सचर, हाउ ब्यूटीफुल इज दिस. दिस इज़ कॉल्ड खड़ा पाव भाजी. वाई? बिकॉज जो इसके अंदर इंग्रेडिएंट्स है, ऑल दीज थिंग्स आर नॉट क्रश्ड, इसे मैश नहीं करते हैं. तो दिस इज़ द रीज़न दैट दे कॉल दिस खड़ा पाव भाजी. मज़ा आ गया. So now we have come to the juice section and the chef is making a different kind of sandwich. ये मैंने कभी नहीं खाई है in Sadhguru or anywhere else. This is called tandoori sandwich. As you can see, tandoori sauce लगाया है and the paneer which is cooked in the clay oven, barbecue किया है उसको तंदूर में. Some capsicum, onion and cheese. Simple and sober yet very unique. So yeah, for a change, this sandwich is also a must try. Butter goes on the top and this is gonna go in the grill. So it's ready. Let's take it out. Let's look at the texture. This color is because of the tandoori sauce, I guess. Again, some garnishing with Amul cheese. Looks really amazing. It's time to taste paneer tandoori sandwich. As you have seen कैसे इन्होंने बनाया. This has paneer inside. Just look at the size of the paneer. Capsicum, onion, some cabbage and the special tandoori sauce. Let's taste this. So the paneer has been made in the clay oven. Barbecue किया है इसको. This is very good. तंदूरी का फील आ रहा है इन अ सैंडविच. आई हैव डिप्ड दिस इन द ग्रीन मिंट चटनी. यू कैन फील द तंदूरी पेस्ट जो ब्रेड पे लगाया था. जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ दैट इसका पूरा टेक्सचर चेंज हो गया है, इसका पूरा टेस्ट चेंज हो गया है. दिस इज़ रियली वेरी गुड. So we are starting off with some butter again, some cumin seeds, lots and lots of onion and a small amount of tomato. So this is the preparation being done for the masala pav. Again some butter. So Sadhguru doesn't use Amul butter, they use a different brand named Nandini, which is also an ISO certified company. So here goes the ginger and garlic paste, their special masala, secret masala, some spices and coriander. Here comes the pav, which is available only in Mumbai. मुंबई के बाहर जाओगे तो आई डोंट थिंक पाव मिलना थोड़ा इजी है, स्पेशली मुंबई का पाव. So yeah, it's done. The masala pav of Sadhguru. Looks very colorful. Very rich as well.
So now trying जो यहाँ पर हम लोग बचपन से खा रहे हैं. Not in this branch, but Sadhguru में we have been having this from childhood. The masala pav. बहुत स्पाइसी है. इट्स अ बर्स्ट ऑफ फ्लेवर्स. डिफरेंट मसाले जो ये लोग यूज़ करते थे, स्पाइसेस, बहुत सारा ऑनियन यूज़ किया है, बहुत सारा जिंजर गार्लिक पेस्ट यूज़ किया है. दिस इज़ लाइक अ स्नैकर. अगर आप इवनिंग में आ रहे हो तो यू कैन जस्ट हैव इट एनी टाइम. अगर आपका पाव भाजी खाने का मूड नहीं है, सो देर आर ओनली 2 पाव्स इन दिस. इसमें 2 ही पाव होते हैं. सो दिस इज़ ऑल्सो अ वेरी डिफरेंट थिंग.
Now I'm feeling a little bit of deja vu. Last vlogs में से मुझे यादें आती है पुरानी. So they are making the paneer pahadi kebab now. तो इसका मैरिनेशन पहले से बनाया था. Priorly the marination was made. Paneer is being dipped and capsicum, onion and tomato is being dipped and सीख में लगाया जा रहा है इसको. And this is going to go in the clay oven. तंदूर में जा चुका है ये for being barbecued. So this is the same kind of marination used in the salad they are making. Salad. And it's ready. Here it comes out. Paneer pahadi kebab. Little bit of garnishing with paneer, coriander, and it's done.
So now I am trying paneer pahadi. This has been made in the clay oven in the tandoor. Paneer pahadi. I'm going to dip this in the mint chutney. Marination का taste, it is really very different. I can feel some curd also. I don't know curd डाला या नहीं. Okay, maybe the mint chutney has a lot of curd. Same marination में कचुम्बर बनाया है.
So now the preparation is being done for chole, which is going to be served with the bhatura. Chole bhatura जो सदगुरु में मिलता है. दिस हैज़ अ वेरी डिफरेंट टेस्ट. ये पंजाबी टेस्ट नहीं करता है. यूजुअली छोले का कलर भी ब्लैक होता है, बट यहाँ पर छोले का कलर थोड़ा ऑरेंजिश होता है. सो या आई नो दिस इज़ ऑल्सो अ मस्ट ट्राई इफ यू कम हियर. जस्ट लुक एट दिस and it's ready. Now I will go to the bhatura section to see how they make the bhatura. So bhatura is made with maida, all purpose flour. Just look at this. Wow. इससे मुझे फ्लफी सिंह की याद आ रही है. मिस्टर फ्लफी सिंह.
So now is the turn to try something that is very different and which is very commonly available in Chembur, but if you are coming to Sadhguru, this is a must try. Chole bhature of Sadhguru. Just look at the texture of the chole. इसका color, as you can see, it is very different because the preparation is different. इसका मसाला डिफरेंट है. आई विल हैव टू वर्क आउट समथिंग बिकॉज जब भी मैं शूट कर रहा हूँ, आफ्टर द शूट खाना मोस्टली ठंडा हो जाता है. सो इट इज़ समथिंग दैट आई हैव टू मैनेज, बट द टेस्ट रिमेन्स द सेम. बस थोड़ा गर्म मिलेगा आपको. छोले भटूरे ऑफ सदगुरु. Wonderful. It's all about the spices. The spices are really different जो ये यूज़ करते हैं, बिकॉज जो रेगुलर छोले भटूरे आपको चेंबूर में मिलेंगे वो थोड़ा पंजाबी स्टाइल होता है. दिस इज़ नॉट पंजाबी स्टाइल, दिस इज़ अ वेरी डिफरेंट स्टाइल.
So now this is the preparation for one of the Chinese starters that is very famous in Sadhguru. This is called Veg Crispy. This has a mixture of a lot of vegetables. Here goes. Very unique, very tasty.
It's time to taste Veg Crispy. This is Sadhguru's most running item. In fact, whenever I come here with family, this is a must try for me also. Veg Crispy. Proper Chinese taste. The good thing about Sadhguru in making Chinese, they don't use Ajinomoto, they don't use color in the food, especially in Chinese. So coming to Veg Crispy, this has paneer, this has capsicum, and this has cabbage, this has cauliflower. This also has some baby corn garnished with some fried noodles and sesame seeds above the curry leaves. I'm trying the paneer crispy now, Veg Crispy, but this is the paneer crispy that comes in the Veg Crispy. अभी तक crispy है.
So now we are seeing the making of paneer butter garlic. Paneer in butter garlic sauce. So the base is of spinach. Palak ka base hai and the paneer pieces go in. This looks very different and they serve this in cabbage. Just something very unique as presentation. Little bit of butter and paneer pieces.
So now I am trying paneer butter garlic. This also has a lot of spinach. ये बना ही spinach में है. This is a spinach based paneer. As you can see, this also has a lot of garlic, ginger. This is served in cabbage, as you can see. Cabbage, like, it's just about the presentation. उसमें कुछ टेस्ट में डिफरेंस नहीं आने वाला है. So paneer butter garlic. It has a feel of spinach. पालक का काफ़ी अच्छा टेस्ट है. I can feel that I am having palak paneer because of the sauce used. But it is very good.
So it's turn to see the desserts now. And this is the making of Gadbad Faluda. How beautiful this is looking. इसके अंदर इतना मिक्सचर है, that's why this is called गड़बड़. बहुत ज़्यादा rich. Dry fruits, tutti frutti, custard, strawberry scoop, mango scoop, vanilla scoop, garnishing with the cherry and a little bit of red syrup, rose syrup. Pistachio syrup. Wow, just look at this. And it's done.
Time to taste the dessert. I am going to try Gadbad Faluda first. Just look at how they have garnished it with a lot of dry fruits. There are 3 different scoops in this. थोड़ा सा मेल्ट हो गया है, but never mind. Gadbad Faluda. सीधा चेरी का टेस्ट आया. लॉट ऑफ ड्राई फ्रूट्स, स्ट्रॉबेरी फ्लेवर बिकॉज ऊपर स्ट्रॉबेरी का स्कूप डाला था. एंड एज आई गो डाउन देयर वाज अ मैंगो स्कूप एंड आई थिंक देयर वाज अ वनीला स्कूप एज वेल. वेरी नाइस. अमेजिंग.
भाई मुझे तो लगता है ये मेरा पीछा कर रहा है. आर यू फॉलोइंग मी डूड? fresh strawberry cream. This has become my all-time favorite now. I don't know if you have tried this or not. Once you try this is going to be your favorite as well. Just look how beautiful this is looking. I can't wait to have this. Wow.
Lastly, the season favorite, fresh strawberry cream. Oh, just look at this. They have garnished this with jelly and some dry fruits like cherry on the strawberry cream. This is very different जो मैंने last vlog में खाई है. You can see this has a red color. सीजन फेवरेट के साथ साथ ये मेरा भी फेवरेट बन गया है. फ्रेश स्ट्रॉबेरी क्रीम. मस्ट ट्राई. सीज़न का फेवरेट है. स्ट्रॉबेरी आ गई है मार्केट में, सदगुरु में भी आ गई है, आके ट्राई करो.
So this is something that I couldn't taste due to some reasons. This is the making of the tawa pulao. So ये एक ऐसी चीज़ है जो आपको सदगुरु में ट्राई करनी है because this looks very wonderful. Just look how rich this is. So what I think इसके चेंबूर में जो चीज़ें मिलती है, different kind of varieties. Why go to out of चेंबूर? जुहू जाने की क्या ज़रूरत है? जो फेमस है तवा पुलाव के लिए, यहीं पर खाओ यार. So next visit में 100% I am going to taste this. एंड मैं इंस्टाग्राम पे इसका रिव्यू ज़रूर डालूँगा. सो अगर आप यहाँ आ रहे हो तो ये ज़रूर ट्राई करना. सो दे कॉल दिस चॉकलेट ब्राउनी और सिजलिंग चॉकलेट ब्राउनी. दिस इज़ माई फेवरेट. जब भी मैं सदगुरु में आता हूँ दिस इज़ अ मस्ट ट्राई फॉर मी एंड आई एम सजेस्टिंग यू आप भी ज़रूर ये ट्राई करना बिकॉज दिस इज़ नॉस्टैल्जिक.
लास्टली आई एम टेस्टिंग सिजलिंग ब्राउनी. सो या नीचे ब्राउनी होती है, ब्राउनी के ऊपर दे ऐड सम आइसक्रीम एंड एन आइसक्रीम स्कूप के ऊपर दे पोर लिक्विड चॉकलेट एंड दिस इज सर्व्ड ऑन अ प्लेटर. गरम प्लेटर होता है. दैट्स व्हाई दिस इज कॉल्ड सिजलिंग ब्राउनी. सो हियर गोस. दिस इज़ समटाइम्स वेरी हॉट. बहुत ज़्यादा गर्म होता है ये. आई हैव टू चेक बिफोर ईटिंग. नॉस्टैल्जिक. काफ़ी सॉफ्ट है. चॉकलेट टेस्ट एंड जस्ट बिकॉज इट्स सर्व्ड ऑन अ सिजलिंग प्लेटर द मिक्सचर ऑफ हॉट एंड कोल्ड इज़ रियली अमेजिंग. लाइक चॉकलेट गर्म हो जाता है एंड वंस इट मिक्सेस विद द आइसक्रीम स्कूप it's really something next level. That's why I call this nostalgia. So yeah, I'm done with the tasting and now we are going to meet the team Sadhguru, the management who runs Sadhguru. So chaliye, let's meet them and ask them something about Sadhguru. So hi Vishal bhai.
Hi.
Hi Sandeep bhai.
Hello.
How are you guys?
Thank you so much.
So tell us something about Sadhguru.
Sadhguru started main Sadhguru in Chembur station. Started at long back at 1972.
Okay.
I believe I'm right. 1972. Here in this joint, it was previously named as Gurdev, which was also a part of Sadhguru. Then, now it started in 1983. Purely vegetarian restaurant. Our USP is Pav Bhaji. We started with USP as a Pav Bhaji. Now we are, we have even around 400 plus varieties in menu. Secondly, it is pure vegetarian plus Jain, specialized Jain. And we definitely look upon the first preference is cleanliness of our restaurant and kitchen. Where else anyone can come and visit our restaurant kitchen, see the cleanliness, how it is, and the preparation. Safety, security and cleanliness is our main motto for each and every restaurant of Sadhguru. And we are blessed to have 4 restaurants in Chembur.
So can you tell us where are the 4 branches? एक तो हम यहाँ बैठे हैं. This is next to Basant or Cubic Mall.
This is next to the Cubic Mall one.
Okay.
One branch is in station.
Chembur Station.
Chembur Station, next to the Chembur Station.
Right.
One is opposite to the BMC one.
Nataraj.
And one is opposite to the BMC, and one is next to the Bata showroom, which is near that fruit market, the bridge.
Okay. जो अमर महल का bridge है. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
That's the
So
fourth one.
okay. So are you into catering also?
Well, we do catering as well. Previously we have done, and our major part of catering which we believe is to cater at your own residence. Means like Karan, if you have a house party,
Okay.
if you have a house party of around 50 to 80 persons, people at your house or at your vicinity or at your terrace, so
Okay.
definitely we look forward to, you know, like have an order where we can send our guys with every utensils and every plates, everything with our best of the best food
Okay.
to serve you and your people.
Okay. That's really great.
But however, because of this pandemic, so and we don't have much staff to cater, you know, do a lot of catering. So however, at this point of time, we are not catering at home, you know.
Okay. So in future, if things get better, you can start it again.
I believe things is going to get better itself,
course,
and
of
it
course.
is on the verge to getting
course,
good
of
itself. So definitely we look forward to expecting good orders for home as well.
Okay. So what about delivery? If anyone needs delivery in Chembur, I think you are on Zomato and Swiggy also.
Yes, we are on Zomato and Swiggy, and we have got a personal delivery boys over here.
Okay.
Where we cover up the whole Chembur over,
Okay.
sending the foods at the doorstep.
Okay. So that is it. Thank you so much for inviting me here.
Thank you.
All the best.
Thank you, Karan. Thank you, guys. Thank you.
So this was Sadhguru next to Cubic Mall. I know आपको वीडियो पसंद आया होगा. So subscribe the channel, follow me on Instagram and share करो वीडियो को. So मिलते हैं अगले व्लॉग में. Until then, take care of yourself. See you soon. Bye bye.